Hello everyone, welcome to The World According to Jason. Today we are in Brooklyn and we are at Emily, which is supposed to have the best burger in the city. We'll see about that. Is known for their pizza, but they also have burgers as well, and that's why we're here, is because supposedly they have the best burger in the city. But we wanted to try both of what they're famous for. So they have a whole list of pizzas. They have like a standard marinara sauce type base. They have the pink pizzas, which come with a vodka sauce, and then they have white pizzas, which has a white sauce, obviously. And there's tons of different types of ingredients they have. It seems like it's not like your standard just pepperoni pizza. They're more of like your artisan type pizzas. So we got, for our meal today, we got their burger, comes with fries, and then we got the Brender pizza, which is a vodka-based pizza, and it has mozzarella, it's got pepperonis, garlic, and banana peppers. So we're just waiting for the first things to show up. As soon as they get here, we'll get some nice, glorious food porn shots, and then we'll be right back. All right, and we're back. So the pizza just showed up. It's the Brender pizza. Again, it's got vodka sauce, it's got pepperonis, it's got banana peppers, garlic, and is this basil leaf? And basil leaves. I'm really good at my gerb. And this pizza looks and smells phenomenal. So here we go, going in. This is a solid pie. I love the banana peppers because they had that sweet kind of heat to it. And then the basil leaf is nice and fresh. The pepperonis are cupped up, kind of like Prince Street. Remember Prince Street pepperonis? Those are like my favorite. So you get the little hot tubs of pepperoni grease inside. The cheese is nice and fresh. It's stretchy, it's gooey. The crust is perfectly baked. It's not overburned or anything, but it's got that nice char to it, so you have a little bitterness from the crust. You have the sweetness, that vodka sauce, the sweet heat from the banana peppers. Everything just blends super, super well together. This is so, so, so good. If you're in Brooklyn, you can't go wrong with this. This just makes me that much more excited to try the burger if the level of quality in this is this high. So as soon as the burger gets here, we're gonna give it a shot. Okay, so the burger just got here, and oh, wow, does it look amazing. I mean, look at that. This is super messy, but the burger looks extremely juicy. There's just this delicious sauce on it. The bun is one of those pretzel buns. I mean, I can't wait any further. We're just gonna go on in. Oh. What just happened inside my mouth? I don't know what just happened, but I'm speechless. This is so good. Wow. Hold on, moment of silence. I don't know what to say. I mean, I am shook to my core. It is insane. That burger is so good. The beef is so juicy, so flavorful. The pretzel bun is like perfectly toasted. So you have a nice like kind of a crunch from the bun, like where they buttered it and toasted it. These fries also look super delicious. And we ordered, it was a mint ranch, which they do I think for their wings. But we wanted to try it with the fries, and then they also have standard ketchup. But let's give this a shot.
Would the gentleman dipping fries in ranch please put the fries down?
All right, now that the cop is gone, let's try out these fries. These fries are also very delicious. They're like perfectly crispy, perfectly fried, nice and soft on the inside. And this mint ranch is actually really tasty. It's ranch, but then you have that nice kind of like mint after kick. So it's refreshing. It's a refreshing ranch. I really like this. And this is amazing. And for any of the gluten-sensitive people out there, their menu is a little bit limited. They have tacos, which they can do on corn tortillas. We're not really sure if they'll do the burger without the bun. It says no like modifications or substitutions. When we asked at the front, they said no, but then our waiter said that they could do it. So it's kind of up in the air if they'll do it without the bun or not. But Kelly got the tacos with brisket, and she said that they are stupidly delicious. So if you are gluten sensitive, at least you know there is something that is very delicious for you to get here. All right, well, folks, that's everything we ordered. This place I cannot recommend enough. You really should make an effort to come here. Brooklyn is a little far away from Manhattan if you're coming to visit, but there are plenty of other things to do here in Brooklyn. There's plenty of other restaurants here in Brooklyn. But if you're looking for a good, solid burger, you gotta come to Emily's. It is amazing. I'll put a link down in the description below where you can find this place if you are interested. But if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit that like button, make sure you are subscribed, and hit the bell notifications so as soon as new videos pop up, you're gonna be the first to know about it. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end, and until next time, stay curious.